Yeah, next game yakho 29 udlala away ePolokwane udlala namagesi. Mubhekile ingahamba kanjani?
Amele sibavithize nawo because nabo ba disorganize.
Exactly, yeah.
Baxosha icoach, uxosha kanjani icoach ekuthathe yakusa yakunika icup. Yashaya Sundowns ku cup final.
Yashaya Pirates also.
Yashaya Pirates home.
Exactly. Yeah.
Phela labantu bashayela bakhulula la. Mina uyayixosa lo coach bekumele ngabahlale phansi la bakhulume babukhulu ba understand. I think maybe nama player were too overwhelmed mhlawumbe basazi. Bona njengoba kuzama ama game mhlawumbe basabe basa celebrate la win asazi. But befana ngabe management ithatha decision ukuthi bafethlala phansi asikhulumeni because manje lo muntu ozongena la ubani ozobamba la team kuba nzima le team yabona mfethu akaka win 4 goals
exactly
and samele is prove and ama game manje ne Pirates ngedini thina sobavithiza thina yasibadlalisa yabona futhi kuloko hayi mele sidile nabo nje decisively ngoba sibaqale ngithi all stars
exactly
ngoba nise all stars ukuthi nina sivoni yaseza manje masiya kubo le ePolokwane mele sibavithize
yebhakanela ngempela ngiyabonga kakhulu bafo
thanks ngifuna ukubonga uDayide mfethu uBobo ngalento ayikhulume ngawe bro uBobo lento ayishilo is the honest truth and ngiyambonga because thina budakhi ngesikhathi asithanda ukupraisana. We always like to kubekana phansi sicekelene phansi. Ilento bayiringe nami ngivumelana nayo futhi. Mina futhi into ebengicela abantu baba surprise ku channel yakho, i-channel yakho ikhulu mfethu. Awukhuleli ukuthi ucompete noba. Ucompete with your business ukuthi wena ukhuphuka mfethu. Yeah, senzele ukuthi omunye umuntu ukuthi but uBobo ngiyambonga ngane tayiringe nga uringa ivaro yazi ngihlala ngitshela nawe ukuthi I'm fit you are a very good person. And uNkulunkulu ngathi angakubusisa bro nonyaka umusha izinto zenzeke kahle. Izolo birthday yami. Wona ukuthi
happy belated man. At least 8 million. Oh, beautiful. Oh, thanks man. Happy belated birthday.
Thank you bro. Thanks. Happy Christmas at some so bonana again next year.
Thank you.